Hey everyone, welcome back to Bank Ops Master. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of data analytics. If you've ever wondered how companies like Netflix recommend your next binge watch or how businesses predict trends, this is for you. In just 10 minutes, I'll break it down from basics to real-world applications. Stick around, and let's turn data into decisions. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Bank Ops Master for the latest banking tips and tutorials. By the end of this video, you'll know what data analytics is, its different types, the step-by-step process, key tools, and even some career tips. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious, this crash course has got you covered. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tech insights. All right, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is data analytics? At its core, data analytics is a process of examining raw data to uncover patterns, draw conclusions, and support decision-making. Think of it as detective work for data. You're sifting through numbers, text, and other info to find hidden stories. Why does it matter? In today's world, we're drowning in data. Every click, purchase, or social media generates information. Businesses use analytics to boost efficiency, cut costs, and innovate. For example, Amazon uses it to optimize inventory, saving billions. Personally, it powers your fitness app tracking steps or your bank spotting fraud. Data analytics isn't just for tech giants. It's everywhere. Healthcare predicts disease outbreaks. Sports teams analyze player performance. And even governments use it for policymaking. The field is booming. Jobs in data analytics are projected to grow by over 30% in the next decade. If you're looking for a high-demand skill, this is it. But to master it, you need to understand the types. Now, let's talk about the four main types of data analytics. They build on each other, starting from what happened to what should happen next. Descriptive analytics. This answers what happened. It summarizes past data into reports, dashboards, or visuals. For instance, a retail store might use it to see last month's sales totals. Tools like charts and KPIs make it easy to spot trends at a glance. Next, diagnostic analytics. Why did it happen? This digs deeper to find causes. If sales dropped, it could reveal factors like a competitor promotion or bad weather. Techniques include data mining and correlations to connect the dots. Then, predictive analytics. What will happen? Using stats, machine learning, and algorithms, it forecasts future outcomes. Think weather apps predicting rain or banks estimating credit risks. It's all about patterns from historical data to make educated guesses. Don't forget to subscribe to Bank Ops Master for the latest banking tips and tutorials. Finally, prescriptive analytics. What should we do? This goes beyond prediction to recommend actions. It uses optimization models to suggest the best path. For example, GPS apps not only predict traffic, but reroute you. It's the most advanced, often involving AI. Real-world examples. Netflix's recommendation engine uses predictive analytics to keep you hooked. In sports, teams like the NBA's Golden State Warriors analyze player data for strategies. Healthcare uses it to predict patient readmissions, saving lives and money. Interested in a career? Roles include data analyst, scientist, or engineer. Skills like stats, programming, and business acumen are key. Certifications from Google or IBM can boost your resume. Subscribe to Bank Ops Master, like this video, and turn on the bell icon.